Good morning. We're going to do an upgrade on the Extreme Off-Road Series 500 from Arc jockey wheels. Wasn't happy with the jockey wheel that come with the Jayco Crosstrack, so we upgraded this. Removable handle once you've assembled it. This one here, this lever pulls that out, it adjusts up and down, and then this one here is the rotation left and right, and it comes, you got to pre-assemble it all by yourself, and it comes with all these bolts. You got to pull them together, nylon nuts there and there. These here, just set them to your height around your caravan drawbar, and this bolt that goes through here, there's 2 bearings and 4 bearings in between there, and a nylon nut. Just adjust it with the shifter, and this here, these holes here will end up in there, and then at the end just take that away so it doesn't get, somebody don't take it. And I'll purchase them from Rotec Marine. For more of these information, please visit www.wnQu1W4O.com.au, and like us on Facebook, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to motivation.vision, and now we're on Instagram. Thank you very much. Have a good day.